Right, and all the elements that are divisible by 2 but not, so we'll try to divide it by 2, and then if it divides by 3, then we won't count it. Alright, so 2, that divides by 2 and not 3, so that's good. Alright, so number 3, is that divisible by 2? No, keep going. 4, is that divisible by 2? Yeah. And not 3, that's good, okay. 5, the next one is 6, that's divisible by 2, but it's divisible by 3. Can we count that one? No. No, we can't. We can't count the number 6. Keep going up in 2's because we're divided by 2. So 8. 8 is divisible by 2, but not 3. That's good. What's the next one? 10. 10. Divisible by 2, but not 3. Next one? 12. Can we count that one? Because it's divisible by 3. 14. That's good, isn't it? 16. 18? No, because it's divisible by 3. And the next one is 20. Next one? 22.
24.
Can we count 24? No, it's divisible by 3. Alright, so the ones we can count are 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16, 20 and 22. What is the probability that a number chosen at random from set A is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3? So how many other? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's the probability of picking any of these numbers? 8 out of the total is 25. 8 over 25. Una rolls a die and flips a coin. One of the possible outcomes is 1 and a head. Write out the remaining 11 possible outcomes in the table below. Alright, so obviously we've got, I'm not going to write it all out, so 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H, 6H. And then you've got 1T, 2T, 3T, 4T, 5T and 6T. How many outcomes consist of an odd number and a tail? Well, we'll count them. Even number and a tail. Well, there's no tails on this side, so I have to go this side. Odd number and a tail. Odd number and a tail. Odd number and a tail. How many are odd numbers and a tail? 3. What is the probability that the outcome will contain a prime number? Prime numbers are, what numbers are prime? Is 1 a prime number?
Yeah.
No. 1 in itself. It's divisible by 2 numbers. Prime number is divisible by 2 numbers, 1 and itself. Yeah, but I asked you, is 1 a prime number? And you said yes. It's not. 2 is the first prime number.
3.
Then
7.
5, 7.
No.
No, not 9. 11.
13.
Sir, they're not there. There's just 2, 3.
I know.
5.
I know. So what is the probability that an outcome will consist of a prime number? So let's circle all the prime numbers. So a 2, we said a 2, 3 or a 5? 2, 3 or a 5?
6 over 12.
2, 3, 5. 6 over 12. Or a half. Right, we'll keep going on to the next page. 4 shapes are shown. Tick below the shapes for which the statements are diagonals bisect each other. Which ones? So which ones does that happen on? Does that happen on them all? Yeah. If I draw diagonals on them, all these diagonals cut the lines in half, don't they? The diagonals cut each other line in half. Opposite sides are equal in length. Well, that's equal to that. That's equal to that. That's true, isn't it? If you look at it. All sides are equal in length. Is that true? Is it true for this one?
No.
No. Is it true for this one?
Yes.
This one? This one? Yeah. The diagonals are equal in length. Is that diagonal equal in length to that one? No. This diagonal equal in length to that one?
Yes.
Yeah. This one equal to that one?
Yes.
Happens to be. This one equal to that one? No. Opposite sides are parallel. They are parallel to, that's parallel, parallel. They're all parallel. Right, question 10. The size of an A4 page is 210 millimeters by, so we'll just draw a page. A4 is roughly like that. So 210 by 297 millimeters. Describe how you would calculate the length of the longest line that could be drawn on the A4 page. Well, the longest line would be a diagonal going that way. Are you looking? The longest line is a diagonal going that way, or a diagonal going that way. Right, so how could we calculate the length of that line? We can use Pythagoras theorem. Alright? So it says describe how you could calculate the length. So all you have to write down is Pythagoras theorem. Calculate. Now the next one. Actually go ahead and calculate it. So we'll just draw this triangle smaller down here. 297 and this 210. So you have to square this 297 times, find the area of that, square that, add them together. Can you do that now? Get the calculators out. So 297 squared plus 210 squared. So 297 squared is 88209 plus 210 squared 44100. Now I need to add those two together. 88209. And you get 132309. The area of this square is 132309 millimeters squared. So we have to get the square root of that now to get the length of this side here, one side. 132309 square root 132309 equals 363.74 to the nearest millimeter. What's the nearest millimeter? .364 millimeters. So that's 364 millimeters in length.